So welcome to the Techy, Roque, and in this tutorial I will show all the functions belong to the lucky picture, and I think the god of all apps. Yeah, you think what you think? Yeah, you think right, the lucky picture. All the thing it can do for you. It means all things lies in it. All you want, lucky picture is here. Okay, so let's start it. So let's get into that. Okay, that's the lucky picture, and set it to force root. Let me show. Force root set root. I set it over my phone is not rooted, but because I set it to show you the all function that is related to only root only. If a phone is rooted, all functions unlock for you, and if not rooted, just as you know, I set it to force set root mode. Okay, and in the filter section, you can show the system apps if you don't like your phone. I think you may need it to back up your before modifying system apps. Okay, got it. That's the first launcher, you don't need it to change it, and you can update it for working on that apps is updated. And that's the custom patches. Custom patch is what? Custom patches is already patched for that app, like patching, permission removing, and all things. So in the switches section, you will show some extra function in rooted mode, like automatically move update app to store SD card, and license automatic verification, and auto backup, and so many. And now that's the app info, launch, and that's the basic. The main thing is the menu of patches. All things lies here. You need to understand it better. Okay. These functions are already in it, but non-rooted user click on that one, and after that only this function is available on you, not rooted. Non-rooted users. And in the patches, this is the remove license verification. If some apps ask for the key to register, then you can use this patch to remove, or you already entered key, so you don't need to enter any key or register. You can use it freely and enjoy some extra function. This for Google Ads. It removes only Google Ads, only remove ads. And that's the patch. All thing is here. The main is LVL elimination in-app patch. In this section, you can purchase anything. You can purchase of an app that require payment or that requires some money from Play Store to unlock that function. But by this patch, you can enable a function without paying money. Lucky Patcher will do it. Lucky Patcher will do this. Okay, and this is change the permission. Sometimes it can be very important. You can change the permission when your app is not have permission to store it. Like you have a low version Android and this is not installing in your app, not installed. It says at the end. By this patch you can solve it, and you can also change the permission. That phone has the permission to connect to the internet. You can disconnect it. And in the tool section, they are cloning. You don't need to some third-party application like Parallel Space. You can clone it at your own risk. And this removes save password after patching an app. Lucky Patcher saved your APK in his folder. and this remove that file to save your storage. And this one freeze and this. Oh, it's my favorite. It moved to your app into system app. You can't imagine if your normal app moving the system app what it can do. Its speed and performance also increased. And this can backup. You can backup this app and ODAX and remove storage if the app is not working after patching. Listen, your app is not working after patching, you can remove all the patches and restore. But for non-rooted user, you need to uninstall it and install it so your data will be clear. And for rooted user, you don't need to clear data. This function will enable this. And this one restore the app and all the basic functions you can find. And the toolbox section, there are some critical options. Yeah, this blockade and this patch to Android. This is so dangerous. You need to back up your system file. Okay, this is a testing tool Play Store and this patch to Android, and they install the Play Store, modded Play Store. There's a risk if the Play Store not working, the modded Play Store not working, then you need to back up. Yeah, we don't back up, then take it at your own risk. And there's a reboot. Oh, it's reboot. What's the function? And there's a search, backup. Okay. Like patches, menu of patches, and I don't need to create modified. Support patch. As you can see, there's a written here in-app purchase form. It means it has Google Ads and in-app purchase. So we can remove in-app purchase like this. In-app, a real emulation. You can patch it when you want to back up if app is not working. Then you can apply it, patching, and at last point. For the rooted user, you only need to launch the app. And for non-rooted user, as you can see, I have a launch button. But if you're non-rooted user, you need to uninstall this app and after that reinstall this app for working. Yeah, you need to install the app for working. For payment from Google Play Store without wasting your money. Okay. All this tutorial going to end. Thank you for watching.